Hi there, I'm Philip from Advantech. I'm happy to be here with you today. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Well, get excited because today we are unveiling our game-changing POS terminal, the USC-513. The USC-513 comes with a powerful Rockchip RK3568 processor, 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of storage, all running seamlessly on the Android 12 OS. But what truly makes it special is its innovative design, featuring not one, but two stunning 13-inch Full HD LCD screens, delivering an unparalleled user experience. With its ultra-thin design and sleek 14mm bezel, the USC-513 not only looks stylish, but also saves valuable counter space in any setting. Whether it's a retail store, a coffee shop, or a restaurant, the USC-513 fits seamlessly into any environment. But wait, there is more. The USC-513 comes fully equipped with a built-in printer, scanner, and MSR, providing all the essential functionalities needed for efficient point-of-sales operations. Plus, it offers extensive connectivity options with 6 USB ports and 3 COM ports, allow you to effortlessly connect peripherals and accessories. Ready to revolutionize your business operations? Don't wait any longer. Contact Advantech today to learn more about the USC-513.